Welcome back, Harbros, to the Harbro channel. Quality videos, lowest prices, a place where the Harbros will congregate and muse about how much our wallets are in pain. And unfortunately, they're going to be in more pain because today we have the first 4 deals, first 4 days of Christmas, and they're pretty good. If you find this useful or helpful, please consider liking and or subscribing. I think we're getting close to 19,000 subscribers, which would be crazy. Can we please get to 20,000 subscribers before the end of the year? We got, 22, 21, 22 days left before the end of the year. And I think that would be absolutely amazing if we can get there. I think we will. But let's go ahead and jump in. We got the first 4 days of Christmas. And here they are. We'll go over them. And then we'll do a little bit of a deep dive. Give credit where credit is due. Got this on Reddit. So I'll link that in the description if you're curious and you want to go check that out. But got this from Reddit, a Redditor. And it's the 12 days of deals starting Friday. Is that the 12th? Starting this Friday. And you can already see it. The 12th. 12. There's going to be 2 deals on the 12th. We got 40% off all icon lights. 40% off all icon lights, which is, we saw in the video, it was the icon under the hood light. So that'll be 40% off, but it's not just that one. It's all icon lights, which is awesome. And then US General 30-inch 4-drawer tech cart for $150 limit 1. We'll check the price. We'll make sure it's an actual deal. $150 sounds pretty good. What is that, 25%? I don't know the price off the top of my head, but that's day 1, 12. Side note, just know Harbor Freight last year did change up some of the deals. They didn't change it up too much. I think they moved them around, and then they added a couple of deals to make deals, instead of having one day, only one deal for one day, it ended up being 2 deals for one day. I don't remember them actually removing anything. But that being said, they technically have the right to change these as they wish. But that's day 1, this Friday. I think that one's crazy. We'll do a quick deep dive, but we'll go through them all. Day 2, Saturday, icon locking flex head ratchet and bit set, $24.99. Now I'm pretty sure that's the meme tool, the original meme tool V1, because the other one's $80. There's no way they're discounting it 75%, but this one is gonna be close to 50% off. So meme tool, day 2 plus, and this one's crazy too. Buy a 20-volt, 5 amp hour battery and charger kit for $99. Get a free tool. Choose one of 7. Now, do they mean Hercules? Do they mean Bauer? Do they mean both? We'll discuss it as we look at them. And then we have day 3, 40% off all icon wrench sets. 40% off all icon wrench sets. So that's the first 4 days of deals. They're breaking it down. Day 4 is going to be automotive. Day 5, engines, tool storage, home and security, hand tools, lawn and garden, welding, and generators. So those are our first 4 days, but let's just take these and let's take a look. So let's start off with day 1, 40% off all icon lights. We'll start there and we'll keep it simple. Let's see what comes up with icon lights. 14 items. Let's just sort from high to low. Those aren't lights. And here's this first one, which I don't think I have seen before. Here's the Icon Professional Work Center light designed to work with the Icon Professional Work Center hutch. Oh, so this is a light for the hutch. So if you have the hutch and you want some lighting in there, this is the one. I had no idea they offer this. $120, but 40% off. Getting it for $72. Now for a light, that's kind of expensive, but I'm sure it's a nice light and it's Icon. It's for the Icon hutch. So very specific. Maybe it could work for other hutches. Maybe you have to do something very specific, but still, if you're in the line already, 40% off, maybe you can modify it for a US General. But $72. We keep going. This is the one they showed in the ad, the preview. $90, 4,200 lumens, little Icon light. You can add a second light because they do sell these separately, and they have it priced at $90. But of course, 40% off. You're gonna get down to $54. I saw a few of you in the comments saying this is what you were looking for, and at a $54 price, a $36 savings. So, oh yeah, wow. Good deal. We keep going. So that's the lights. Let's look up the US General 30-inch 4-drawer tech cart. So here's the 4-drawer tech cart. Has it priced at $229. Compared to Snap-on, save over $1,000. So at $229, you're getting it for $150. So actually, this is not for, so $150 out of $230. Whoops, $150 out of $230. Getting it for 34, almost 35% off. That is an excellent discount on US General. Almost basically 35% off. But of course, we need to verify to see whether this is a deal or not, because prices can always be changed. And so here, let's check this out. 30-inch 4-drawer tech cart. This is technically in red. Looks like there was a deal for it not too long ago. Back in April, went down to a regular price of $169.99, which is a great deal and almost a great price. So that was a sale. There is an ITC coupon down to $150 last Christmas, $12.28. So similar, and that's the lowest price it's showing here that it's been. And so I would say it's at its lowest price. $150 it's a great deal. $150 off the tech cart. It's the lowest price that it is according to the tracker. Lowest price that I can remember. I don't think there's been any 40% off all US General storage. Harbros, correct me if I'm wrong. But that is a great deal at 35% off. And actually, we're jumping around a little bit too much. We went to the under the hood, but we said other icon lights. Let's not skip over those. The 1,000 lumen dual-sided rechargeable slim bar light. These are the kinds of ones that we're going to need some feedback from the Harbros. How has this light treated you? $60, not gonna lie, that's pretty pricey. But what makes it a better pill to swallow? $36. Getting it for $36 for 40% off. It does have the hook, foldable light, 4 light modes, high color rendering, and a UV light for leak detection, high color rendering index. Sounds like a great light. Who has it? How has it treated you? Let us know. Then this is the additional small light that you can add to the under the hood light. It comes in at $54. Also pretty steep of a price. At 40% off, you're getting it for $33. Same thing. Give us the feedback on these Harbros. And then the one that we see go on sale pretty often, of course, is the 800 lumen rechargeable magnetic handheld foldable slim bar light. It's at $40. We've seen this be discounted, what was it, 50% a few times? $19. I think people have gotten it for $19 over sometime in the last 12 months. So this isn't going to be as great, but $24 is in the range. Now, just a note, at least for these, they will be coming out with a new version next year. They showed it off during SEMA. Probably why they're discounting this at least that much, but still $24 is a really good deal if you didn't have a chance to pick it up during the last sale. Boom. So there we have day one, the tech cart, the icon lights. Moving on to day two, the icon locking flex head ratchet. That's a simple one. $25. Let's search meme tool because it will come up. And there we have it. I'm assuming it doesn't say the ratchet and bit set flex head icon. $24.99. It's going to be this one. $24.99. So $25 out of 40. It's a 37% discount. So that's pretty great. This is close to the lowest price that it'll be. So that's the meme tool. Great deal, great time to pick it up. And then same thing, 2 deals on day 2, Saturday. This one, buy a 20 volt 5 amp hour battery and charger kit for $99. I think they've heard the feedback, whether it's with the Harbros or any of the other discussions, but they're definitely hearing it. $99, get a free tool, choose one of 7. Now, of course, we don't know if they're meaning specifically Hercules or Bauer, but let's look up the 20V. So 20 volt, 5 amp hour, high capacity. Where's the charging kit? Here it is. It's at $99. So they could be specifically talking about Bauer. This is a 20V 5 amp hour lithium ion battery and charger starter kit. So it could be that they're just focusing on Bauer, but let's also look at Hercules. Now this one's going to be more expensive for sure. So here's the Hercules 20 volt 5 amp hour lithium ion battery 4 amp charger starter kit. So it's listed at $120. If my memory serves me correct, when they had the kit deals, the Hercules was listed at 99 bucks and the Bauer, I want to say, was listed at $89. And both of them had a choice of buy the starter kit, get your free tool. So at least with what the notes we have, it's impossible to say, but I'm hoping it's both. And if not, it should be, well, it has a chance to be either the Bauer or the Hercules. I've seen the Bauer as it is right now at $99.99, but I've also seen the charger kit for Hercules when it was part of the deal kit at 99 bucks as well. So you let me know what the Harbros think this one means. And then, of course, 40% off all Icon wrench sets is nuts. We've done videos on these in the past, but we'll just look over a few of them. There is showing 37 different wrench sets. At one point, hopefully this will be clickable, but you're in a range of $230 down to their stubby professional down to $40. So if you're looking to stock up on your wrenches, if you've missed the past sales, this is the time. If you're doing the professional flex head metric ratcheting combination wrench set 12 piece, we'll just use that as an example, and at 40% off, 200 bucks, you're getting $80 off. $80 off getting this wrench set for 120 bucks, and that's going to be the case for a lot of these. There's a lot of different options. We can try to do a deep dive, but those are the first 4 days of deals, and this video is going a little bit long. I do want to end it with, I did want to share this. This is from Harbor Freight Tool Junkies over on Facebook, and I've heard it here, but I've heard it in a couple different places, and I've seen some of the coupons, actually official coupons already, like the December 10th free hat. But we want to go over this real quick so everyone knows what deals are coming up. The most likely deals, like this is probably 99% positive. So we had extended Black Friday sale. We have free hat coming up. I was going to do a video on this, but I couldn't find the ITC one. This looks like the bad deal from a month or two ago where they just had, you get a free hat with any $30 purchase 1 day only. I don't see the ITC version of this, but this looks as official as it gets, but free hat coming up. So that's confirmed. The big one, December 12th to the 14th, lining up this Friday with day one of Christmas. ITC 20% off single items, no exclusion, 10% for everyone else. No word if it has a price limit, but from what I've seen, they don't have a price limit. It's 20% off ITC, one item, or 10% off for everybody else. 12 days of deals, of course, are going to be going on. Free bucket 19th through the 21st. And then ITC 30% off items under 20 bucks. Everyone else is under $10. Limit 5 per day. And that's it, Harbros. This was a good one. Let me know what you think. Put your thoughts in the comments. And as always, good luck out there. Happy harbor freighting. Happy shopping. Again, please consider liking and or subscribing. According to the statistics, 75% of you are not subscribed. Let's get to 20,000. I appreciate it, everybody. And as soon as I have some more deals, I will send them your